like a bit of my
Do you have my fly? Whoa! Oh!
What?
Like 4 fish just rose
Yes, Ethan, on again. First one to strike. What do you reckon he's on? Point fly or the dropper?
Oh, he's on the point fly.
Point fly, so that's that black lure type thing with the yellow bead head.
Keep the bend on the rod. Dad, look, I'm a sea fish.
He's in. He's in.
Oh, crap.
Yes. All right.
Oh, he's not a very strong one, is he?
Okay. Should I switch with you, Wells, and you can be gilling?
Oh, because the leader's so long, I can't bring him in.
Yeah, okay. Let's rejig. Okay, I'll take this.
Come on.
Play him a bit, Ethan. Gilly's not ready.
Oh, he's got to be. We're ready.
Okay. Here we go. Here we go. So you're bringing him forward.
Oh, get him. Under. Yep.
Is he in? Hold him up, Bowles. Well done. So, yet again,
You won't deceive me.
Ethan strikes again.
First fish of the day.
First fish of the day. Yeah.
You ain't never gonna deceive me, young
Let's
boy.
have a look at this one.
This way, I think we're gonna catch it.
Okay, so it's that black fly. It's like a Pittsford pea, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right,
Pittsford pie house.
let's do this.
Can I race him?
Of course you can.
Shall I get another one?
So, yeah, that's it. So here's the...
Can I do it?
Of course you can.
Okay, just go down. Buddy, you're gonna be free. You're free, buddy. Wait, I got it. No, you don't got it. I just can't see it. They're also just... Dip it under his nose. Bye bye. And he's gone. Bye bye, Dad.
Morning, folks. Welcome back to another episode. Today we're at Elinor yet again. It's been a hot week this week. Bright sun, high temperatures. So not sure what to expect from today. It's about 7:30, as you can see. Blue sky. There's a nice ripple, so that should help with today's conditions. It's been a lot of rises. We've been in the boat half an hour, and Ethan's already managed to get into one using a black lure with an yellow bead head. So yeah, there's fish around. Gonna be an interesting day. Might be a little tough at times, but we've got all the lines. We're gonna try all the different methods, see if we can have a good day. So let's see how we get on. Up top, or pension point, got a drogue out. First time we've drogued it at Elinor. See how it works, and slow us down. We're just going to drift, cover some water. There's been a couple of rises up here. When we were putting the drogue in, we could feel the water, and it was so warm. You could feel that top layer, probably 10-15 centimeters, has definitely warmed up a lot after this week's hot weather. So, okay, thanks, Ols. So yeah, I'm going to fish it a little bit lower. 3 to 5 foot is the plan. Fishing naturals on the crunchers and the terrestrials and daddies. So drift down towards that bank, Brookside, and then first bite of the day. little tap on one of them. That's nice. That's promising. Big brother Paul's on. Uncle Paul. He's fishing a sinking line. It's probably a die 3 or die 5, and he's got like an olivey green woolly bugger, or maybe like a blue flash damsel, but without the flashes. Fish nice and slow in the bottom. Good job, buddy. Well done. Oh, came off. Oh no, came off. Never mind. Good luck next time. Alright, die 3's back on. Blue flash on the point with a black lure with an orange bead head. Same as the one that Ethan had. So instead of Ethan's having the yellow, I've now got an orange. So I'm going to cast out, give it 5-10 seconds, and then just bring it in, slow figure of 8. Oh yes, there we go. Ollie,
Yeah?
fish on.
Okay.
You want to go in the fighting chip? Oh, lost it. Sorry, Oz. Sorry, buddy. Oh, so excited there. I was so excited. Wow, look at the size of that buzzer then. So we've come up here. My brother's had 3 so far on a blue flash damsel. Sinking line, but as it sort of hits the water, he's waiting about 5 seconds and bringing it in. So sort of bringing it at that angle under the water rather than with the floating line up and down. We've anchored. Gonna fish this for a bit. I've got blue flash, die 3. See how we go. It's a take. Just had a nice big solid pull. That was 5 seconds countdown. Just a nice figure of 8. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, another nice big take. Oh, there we go. Oh, Jesus. Ollie? Let's hope this will get. He said that twice. It's a good 10 to 15 second count, that. Oh, there we go. Oh, Jesus. On the hang. Let's just drop it again. This one, double hit. Alright, so point fly, blue flash. Try that again. It's a 15 second count. Just had one, double knock, got him on, faffing with the camera, dropped him. This boat on my right here, he's had like 3 or 4 quick success. Oh, there we go, another knot. There we go, he's on. Yes. Oh, lost. 2 in 2 casts. Yeah. Uncle Paul is into a nice big one. Nice big one. There he is. Let's see what we'll report back in a second. There we go. Oh, yeah, there we go. There we go. Got one. I'm on. Ollie. 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 Ethan.
Yes.
Lost it. A monster. Here you go, Oz. Okay, got it. Right tip up, buddy. Come on. Oh, babes, you're gonna lose it. Okay. He doesn't have a lot of power in him, this one. Uncle Paul lost a big one. And remember the anchor. Okay, also, if you can play him around that side. Yay. Alright, so I got him on one of my homemates. Good sized fish, that. Such a shame Uncle Paul lost that. He reckons it was a monster. It's not very often you get a chance to have a crack at a monster. Compared to mine, that was 1.5 to 2 pounder. Homemade fly, so pretty happy with that. Off the board. So first one in the net. Numerous losses. So hopefully we found the spot, we found the depth, we found what's working. Going. Nice. I've been working a bit. Looks a bit like a blue trout. I don't know if he's got any blues in him. He's giving a good account for himself. Whoa, jeez, he's a powerful guy. Wonder how big he is. He's not a bluey, but he's a good size there. I mean, he's on that same as yours, Ethan. Orange bead, black lure. I had 4 fish last week, and then I had 11 the week before that. Ready? I'll bring him to you. You just stay there. There you go. Sweet.
I really just lost it.
To the top lip. He's out. Nice. Good. There he is. And there he goes. Oh, there. Makes sense. 2 solid takes there. Boom. Came back. Bang. Hit it. Don't know if he's still on. Still near. There we go. Oh, another one. There we go. Yes, yes, boys, right on the hang. There he is. Yes, got that on film too. That was crazy. Absolutely crazy. Nice parcel then. Let's get the fly out. Fish number 3. So, taking off blue flash, damsel, and I'm going to put this guy on, which looks very similar to the other one, but instead of the orange bead, we're going with the green bead. Slightly different, a bit more sparkly, a bit more shiny, maybe with the sun, that might be an advantage. It's one I've made from all the Up Avon products. Let's give that a shot. See if now maybe I can get a couple more. Okay, so 2 black lures. One's got an orange bead head on the top drop up. Point flyer's got that green one. Replicate that. It's just a slow figure of 8, just a very slow, consistent figure of 8. There we go. Yes, another one on the hang. Whoa, 2 and 2 casts. Wow, phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. Followed that all the way in, just hanging it. As I lifted it, just felt a little bit of resistance. Excellent. Oh, dropped it right at the net. All right, so it's 1 o'clock. The kids want McDonald's, so we go for McDonald's. What you may not have seen on one of the films, I had a good one on. Boom, boom, the rod tip was like poof, poof, poof. Shook itself off. I thought I was filming, but not. Anyway, we're gonna come back to the spot. We're gonna go and have a couple of hours break. Have some late lunch, early dinner. I'm still gonna have dinner, are we? Okay, so we're gonna have some Maccas, and yeah, we'll come back after that. So, see you after our lunch break. Ollie, you will be on charge of trawling. Yeah. Okay, so remember the angle of the rod. Remember that video I showed you where I got snapped? Don't drop it, don't throw it. Yes, Ollie. Chaos. Please don't lose this one. He's in the fighting chair. It's like when you're deep seeing. I'm not sure if Ollie will manage to land this. Ollie, right up. Right tip up.
Oh, I lost it. Ready? Keep the slack on and pull it up.
No, not too fast, not too fast, in case he goes. How many fish have you played, Ollie?
It's a me.
Oh, it could be a monster. Keep the rod tip nice and high if you can, darling. Do you remember? Nice and high. Because if he runs, then all you have to do is lower the rod. That's so much better. So much better. I'll be Gilly, don't you worry. Ollie, how about we try and land this one? Instead of you playing it, let it play you. This kid, oh, it's a feisty one, Ollie.
It's a feisty one.
Stocky. Where we go, Niles? Okay, no, relax. Ollie landed it. Ollie's first fish of the day. He's equal with Ethan. Yes, Ollie!
I actually had to work for it.
He's worked for it.
He sat there with one head
Alright.
in the water soaking through.
There's the fish. He's good. Ollie's going to let him go.
Yeah, little fishy. Be free!
Be free. Boat's on. This boat's on. So we're back from lunch. We're getting ready to go back out again. Just while we've been setting up. It's now nearly 3 o'clock. This boat just in front of Ethan there. He's on. Boat down there, I don't know if you can see him. He's got a blue t-shirt on for the hat. He's just had one. Uncle Paul's on. He's got a monster. 500 grams or something. There it is.
Definitely a monster.
Definitely.
500 grams is so big.
Let's hope no one's going in. Oh. Yes. Well, so Uncle Paul's been in. In our setup, got the die 5, 2 black nose, yellow bead heads. As it lands, just bring it in a steady figure of 8 like this. Search through the layers, see what we get when. Does Charlie have a sinking line? Oh! Yeah. Lost another one. I'm now in a fast sinking. So it sinks in the middle like a U. It's called a sweep line. Yeah. Mario Kart's good. Mario Kart is good. Oh, yes! Jesus! Figure of 8, and then every now and then just do it. One pull, and as I went like that, nailed it. Oh. It's got to be 6, 7 now. Still, you only want it for the hit. That's all you want is the take. Doesn't matter if you land it. It's that. It's on. Yes, Charlie. Give him the small ones, eh? In. You ready?
I'm ready. I got it, Dad. I got it.
It's gone. No? It's on. It's on. Yeah, no, the hook's set, trust me. Let's not lose another one.
How many is this now?
Oh, we lost it! Wow, lost count. No idea how many we've lost. So what we'll do is on the playback, we'll count them, shall we, Ethan? On playback. That was a good one. I felt him nibbling and biting. And then as I was pulling it up on the hang, you whacked it. Jesus, 2 nice pulls again. Oh yeah, I really don't want to go to shore. The boys are making me take him to the shore. Oh, here we go. Yeah. Oh, ah.
It's 5 o'clock.
Ollie, I had a fish on. I'm not taking you to the shore. So it's 5:30. We're having a bit of a break. We've come for a walk around. We're under the trees where this boat is. That's where a couple of weeks ago all the buzzers were hatching and going crazy. And as we've been standing here watching, there's been 2 or 3 risers, some good fish just launching themselves out the water. Interesting. It's 5:30. We're going to be fishing till 8:30. Just wondering where to come next. We've been fishing the deep water all the way down where Pylon Point is and into the east arm over there. There's a few fish rising along this bank up towards the boat bay. The wind is now blowing that direction, so it does make fishing up this side a little bit nicer and easier. Still lots of daddies, still lots of bugs around. Maybe with the sun behind those clouds, and as it goes down a bit there'll be a lot more risers, so could be some time for some buzzers rather than throwing a die 3 and a die 5 with a couple of lures. So hopefully the evening session will go nicely. That's what, part 3 for the video. That's it all. Sun's out, which is nice. I'm gonna go right up to the ramp. Or 8:30. It's gonna be the best hour and a half of the day. All right, here we are. 7 o'clock. Boys are back in the boat. Come up to the dam wall, and I'm fishing the die 3 with the lures. Ollie's got the buzzer rod. Doing a washing line, more like it. Ethan is gilly and anchor boy for now, and give me gilly, but if you're catching the fish then Ethan's gonna anchor it. So yeah, scores for the doors. Ollie 1, Ethan 1, Dad 4, lost 8.
I lost 2.
It's been incredible how many we've lost, not to mention all the pulls and takes. It's been crazy. Even though it's a slow day, I mean, on average, maybe every 5 casts, there's a solid pull or a take. Some casts are 3, 4. Others, like on the buzzers, just 1 hit per cast. So yeah, plenty of fish. You've seen all the techniques. Yeah, it's been great. It's been great. There we go. Oh, he took it and he pulled to the left. So as we speak, you know, just been out, it's my 2nd cast and already. Yeah. So let's see what we can do for this last hour and a half. 4 nice pulls. Look how beautiful the sunset is going to be tonight. Nice solid pull again. Bull, bull, bull.
Yummy.
As soon as I just don't know what it is. Can't explain why so many pulls and they're just not locking in. Straight line buzzer action over here.
What time is
It is 7:26.
What time is it?
8:45. Oh Jesus! Jeez, it hit that so hard. Why do you stop bringing it in so fast? These buzzer takes are phenomenal. There we go. Oh yes, yes. Yeah. You want Gilly? Ethan?
Yeah.
Here you go. Fish.
What?
Fish. Ollie, just just be careful. He may run. He's playing like he's all lazy, but expect him to go. There you go, boys. There my boys are playing a little fish. Yeah. Ollie, you stay where you are. Ethan will bring around.
Got 2 fish on.
No. Well, then you be extra careful if there's 2 fish.
One like that.
Ooh.
One like that.
Ooh, okay, interesting. Okay, so if you can, let's see. Okay, let's go. 1. No, lift it up, Ollie, lift it up. How do you know there's another one? No, there's not. Bring your minerals.
Is it just a...
Yeah,
Oh, it's tiny.
he's eating buzzers. Good, good.
I'll get the hook out when he stops. Got it.
Where is it? Where is it? Oh, yeah. Oh, he's gone right. Be careful.
We're gonna break the boat.
Not breaking the boat.
Ethan, come closer.
There he is. Off he goes. All right. That is number 5 for me. And the boys got 1 each. So 7 in the boat. Nice getting them on the buzzer. Just what I wanted. Look at that beautiful sunset. This is why we got up at 5 a.m. this morning. This is the reason. Top hats on. Wow, look at that one. See? That's the spot.
There was 2, there was 1 there and there was 4.
Yeah. So where that log is, that's where I was fishing from the bank. All right, so it's just on 8. Finals for the day. 5 for me, 1 each for the boys.